Hello there. In this video, I will show you how to translate any language using ChatGPT. So, translation is a powerful tool for communicating and connecting with people in different countries and cultures. However, manual translation can be time-consuming and prone to errors. With the help of ChatGPT, the process of translation can be greatly improved. ChatGPT can be used for real-time translation of text and speech, as well as automatically generating translation for large amount of text. ChatGPT can be used for translation in any language, including real-time translation of text and speech, automatically generating translation for large amount of text, providing suggestion for alternative translation, translating text in different domain and industries, and also improve the accuracy of machine translation. In this video, we will explore the various ways in which ChatGPT can be used for translation in any language. ChatGPT offers a new and innovative approach to translation. So here, write a translate German about paste here text and press enter. Look here, he translate this content in German language, right? Now I want to look another language. Write a translate into Italian and press enter. Look this, he also translate in Italian language, right? If I want more one language, then you can write a translate into French and enter. ChatGPT is a powerful tool for translation in any language. You need real-time translation of text and speech, or to automatically generate translation for large amount of text. ChatGPT has you covered with offering new and exciting way to improve the accuracy and efficiency of translation. So hopefully do you understand that how to translate any language using by ChatGPT. Thanks for watching this video.